We're cooking some breakfast sandwiches here, and I'm gonna have bacon on mine, and the wife doesn't want bacon on hers. So hers just gonna be egg and cheese. Mine's gonna be bacon, egg, and cheese. We're gonna be cooking it on this Blackstone 22-inch adventure ready griddle, and we're gonna be using these ingredients here. We're gonna use a little bit of butter for certain things. We're gonna use some thin strip bacon. We're gonna use 5 eggs, 3 slices of good old Kraft Singles American cheese, and the brioche bread. So get settled in, let's go. As usual, I'm starting my bacon on a cold griddle, low and slow. Once the bacon's on, turn both on to low. And if you haven't noticed, it's been raining, so it's a little bit chilly out here in California. As soon as I start seeing them browning on the edges, I'll flip them. So we're almost there. All right, since these are thin, I'm gonna go ahead and flip them now. Might have waited a little too long. All right, let's check it. Oh yeah. I'm gonna flip it one more time since move them up because the ends of this is a little bit undercooked still. All right, I'm gonna call these done. I think we're good. All right, let's get ready for the eggs. I'm gonna go ahead and just clean this griddle real quick. All right, I'm gonna cook 5 eggs. Both burners are still on low, but I'm gonna turn this side off because what I wanna do is cook them and then fold them and then kind of put them over here to the side, let them cool and not overcook too much. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna lay down some butter. Throw down just a little bit of grapeseed oil just to help the eggs not stick. All right, let's crack some eggs. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. I'm gonna smooth this out a little bit so it cooks. I'm gonna go ahead and roll them over now. Trying to keep it about the same size to fit on the sandwiches. Let that cook out. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it now, about middle. Then flip this one, flip this one. I'm gonna say the eggs are probably about done, and they're gonna continue to cook while they're sitting over here, and I toast the bread. So let's move these over. Once again, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this, prepare it for the bread, to toast the bread. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and lay some butter down. We're gonna be making 2 sandwiches. So this bread is a little bit big. I don't know how much I need. I'm gonna lay 4 pieces down. While we're waiting for the bread to toast, I'm gonna go ahead and flip these eggs again for fun. I don't want it to be overcooked. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this burner up about medium. Hey, if you like this video so far, hit that like button. And if you want to see more from us, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification, because we're going to be putting a lot of videos out on cooking on this griddle. While we're waiting for that to toast, I'm going to go ahead and put some cheese on these. Just take a look. Okay, that one's definitely done. That one's a little bit light. That one's probably good. That one's done. Let's do the other side. Why not? This side's gonna be the outside of it, and the other side is just gonna be where I put all this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn the burner off and move this over to my plating area. All right, we're gonna put some egg on Shannon's here, then mine. I need some bacon, and we'll top it off with a little bit of mayo.